We'll guide you through how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you go and use Google Chrome as your main web browser on your computer, setting it as default in Windows makes a lot of sense, because then when you go and click a link on your computer, Chrome will be used, and you can also go and set it to go and be used for other things which you go and click on as well. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Personally, Google Chrome is my preferred web browser. I really like it because I have it syncing across my Google account and my different devices. So things like my search history is then saved, as does my bookmarks and my other used sites. So we're going to guide you through this step by step with what you need to do. So let's get started. Come to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and find the Windows Start button, and you need to go and click that there. This will go and open up. And in here, you need to go and find the option for settings. Click on it. If you can't see it, you can always go and search for it at the top. Let's open it up. Now, what you want to do is go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for apps, like so. Then in apps, you need to go and find the option for default apps. So we can then go and set the defaults of file and link types and other defaults as well. So let's go and click in here. Now, what you can do is you can go enter the file type or link type, but what we want to do is go and search for the app. So you can go and type in Google Chrome. Of course, you can always go and scroll down and find it as well. I'll go and type in Chrome, and here it is. So you want to go and click on it. Once you're here in the top right, you'll go and see the option for set default. So of course, we can go and click that there like so. Now, as you can see, you can go through here. Now, you still may want to go and customize this. So for example, it's still using Edge here. So I can click on that, select Chrome and set default. We can do the same thing with PDFs. If you like using Chrome as your PDF viewer, you can click that there. Then you can go and select Chrome and press set default as well. You're going to go and notice the icons going to update on my desktop there as well. And you can scroll down here and go and repeat that. Make sure you go and set the default as Chrome for what you want it to be. So that's it. You've now gone and set it as default. So for example, now when I go and open up a .html file, it's going to be used. Or when I go and click on a link, Chrome is going to be used as well.